Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes to me in the mail. Today we've got one from China. This is a box that was sent to me from a company called Uncle Noodle. They're a restaurant where you can go and have really fancy, posh, instant noodles. Basically, you pick out the kind that you want to try, and you get all these toppings served on it. Pretty awesome. Alright, well, let's see what they sent. Oh, wow. Alright, there's an envelope here. Dear Hans, it is a great pleasure to be lined up with you by Tony, a good friend of mine, to have the chance to send our product for your review. I have always been a big fan of the Ramen Raider. Oh, thanks. Of course, instant noodles too. In fact, I would like to take this chance to thank you. Back in 2011, I was flattered while you released your number 370 Fuku's Superior Soup Instant Noodle ranking, ranking it 5 out of 5 stars. I was very proud of my dad, the founder of Fuku brand. Oh, cool. And in fact, the figure as the log was actually based on how I look. Oh, the logo was based on how I looked when I was young. That's cool. However, the Fuku brand was then sold to Nissan in 2013, but still, under my dad's influence and your recognition, I decided to enter the noodles industry upon my graduation. I'm now running 2 instant noodles companies in China. The first one is an old, and I'm hoping I'm saying this right, Ramen local brand of 30-year history. The uniqueness is having only one flavor, satay, with the noodle block, similar to Fuku noodles, with only one powder base. It is rare to see noodles served with only one soup powder base that can still survive in the world today. That's very true. Here's the instructions. And the second one is a new brand called Luosa King in the city of Luzhou in Guangxi. As I have seen, you have tasted some other brands of Luosifan last year. It's an emerging brand in these few years. I got the inspiration from it, replacing the original rice noodles with instant noodles instead. It is served in a soup made from river snails and pork bones. Oh, okay. My thoughts are turning it into instant noodles to solve the long cooking time problem and have a specialties line, hence attracting worldwide consumers. Well, cool. And then there's some information on how to cook that, it looks like. And there's one with a lion, red-faced lion on it, that are stir-fry noodles. And it's again my pleasure to have the chance to connect with you. And when you review them, email me. Cheers and enjoy the noodles. From Jack Lee. Thank you very much. That's really cool. Yeah, I found Uncle Noodle on Instagram, and I saw a picture of their shop, and I was like, wow, this is cool. Definitely like to go there someday. So I'm guessing these are the river snail noodles? Let me check. Red-faced lion. Here's the one, I'm guessing this is the red-faced lion right here. These are a stir-fry noodle. Very cool. And here's the variety that's been around for 30 years. Nice shrimp on there. Yeah, this looks like one of those older brands that's got the traditional labeling. And as you can see on the back, mentioning the 30th anniversary of the company. Oh, actually, this is the river snail one for sure, because that is most certainly a red-faced lion. So these are stir-fry noodles. Wow, I haven't seen a pack like this very often. It's like a single pack in a plastic. They peel off lid. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it. These are 3 varieties that I would never be able to find here in the United States, and I'm thrilled to be able to try them. Yeah, very cool. Thank you again. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.